today's digital world, almost everything we do is online. In just one day, we send messages to friends, pay bills using GCash, check emails, and attend classes through online platforms. But while technology makes life easier and more convenient, there are also hidden dangers behind every click. That's why cybersecurity is important. It's protect our device, accounts, and personal data from hackers and scammers. Security is not just about preventing unauthorized access to your confidential information and safeguarding your money and online accounts. Think of your accounts as your house. If there are no locks or securities, anyone can enter and take valuable things. That's why we need to know how to stay safe in the online.
Oh no, free Wi-Fi. That's awesome. You need to use my data. I tried to connect this free Wi-Fi. Gcash select your account will be suspended if the Wi-Fi. Oh no, what if I lose my money? Alright, I just try to log in.
We can easily become a target of cyber criminals if we are not careful. Even a simple click can make you a victim.
Just one click, boom! I've got his account. Thanks for your information, Jay.
This type of attack is called phishing. A scam where users are tricked into believing that a message or website is legitimate in order to steal their confidential information.
A few moments later.
That today is my due date for my phone. Payment through GCash. What? My balance is reduced. I didn't send any money.
Because of phishing attacks, the hacker obtained JC login details and used them to access his GCash accounts. This can also happen to emails, social media, or even online schools account.
This is terrible. It looks like all my money is gone.
Hey, what happened? Why do you look so stressed?
I received a message that I claim it to be from GCash. Then boom, my money was gone, Lena.
Oh no, that's weird. Not every message or link is related to Gcash is legitimate. Always check the official app and never click on unknown links.
Oh no, I thought it was real, Lena.
That's a problem with cyber attack. It's easy to be fooled if we are not careful. That's why we need to learn the basic of cybersecurity.
What happened to G is an example of cyber attack. Cybersecurity is about protecting digital identity, devices, and personal information, including online money and accounts like GCash. There are three things that cybersecurity protects. First, we have confidentiality, second, availability, and the third is integrity. First, we have confidentiality. Your information remains private and cannot be accessed by others. Second is availability. You can access your data whenever you need it. The third is integrity. Your data cannot be altered or modified by an unauthorized person. Here are some common traits we should watch out for. First, we have phishing. It's a fake message or links used to trick you into giving your information. Second is malware. It's a viruses or harmful application that can damage your devices. Third is a weak password. It's easy to guess and hack. Fourth is public Wi-Fi. Networks that hacker can use to access your data. To stay safe online, especially when using GCash, the first thing to do is never share your MPIN or OTP. The second is avoid clicking suspicious links. And the third is use only the official app or website. And fourth is avoid using public Wi-Fi for transaction. And the last is turn on the security features like two-factor authentication and biometrics.
I just had to let you know you're